Hi. If you are wondering if you can rename these charts in Claude AI, it is very much possible. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rename your charts in Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Claude AI. And if you can see this sidebar, go ahead and open the sidebar by typing here. And here you'll be able to access all your charts. To rename any of these charts, just go ahead and hover over it, and you should see these ellipses. Go ahead and tap on these three dots, and you have an option here to rename. If you tap on this, your current name will be displayed here, and here you can now make any changes to your name, delete or even add like this. And to save, just go ahead and tap on save, and you can see the changes you'll have made will reflect here. So that's how you can rename your charts in Claude AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.